An Indiana man gets handcuffed and is now charged with a crime for something that even the state admits may not be illegal at all.
Senior investigative reporter Bob Siegel is here to explain a surprising traffic stop and what officers found inside the car.
Well, right now, state officials are very confused whether CBD oil is legal in Indiana. They're trying to figure it out, but in the meantime, a local man is caught in the middle. He could face fines and jail time for possessing 1 ounce of this oil. But what 13 investigators found inside this bottle could get the whole case thrown out of court.
And that's when he handcuffed.
Mamadou Nadaye still remembers being handcuffed and led to a patrol car. It happened a month ago, but to Mamadou, it seems like just yesterday.
Never been handcuffed. That's the worst part. I was scared. I feel like my freedom was taken away.
It happened right after he left his night shift job in Carmel. Mamadou was driving northbound in Hamilton County when sheriff's deputies pulled him over at about 1 a.m. He says he was unknowingly driving with a suspended driver's license. Then he allowed deputies to search his car.
I didn't have anything to hide. I'm not a criminal. I've been in this country for 17 years. Never been in trouble.
Moments later, that all changed. This filmmaker and youth soccer coach was charged with possession of marijuana. Did they find marijuana?
No, sir. The only thing they see was the bottle of CBD.
A bottle of CBD? That's all they found?
Yes, sir.
And you're charged with possession of marijuana?
Yes. It's painful.
CBD oil and marijuana do have something in common. Both of them come from a cannabis plant. But there's a huge difference. While marijuana comes from cannabis that's high in THC and can make you feel high, well, CBD oil comes from what's called industrial hemp. It has little or no THC and causes no high at all. Families all across Indiana say the oil effectively treats their chronic pain and anxiety. And Mamadou got a bottle to see if it might regrow hair on this bald spot.
Because where I'm from, really, they say hemps will grow hair.
What the oil is really growing is controversy because police and state leaders can't agree on the law. This spring, 13 investigators exposed how state excise police started raiding grocery stores, confiscating tens of thousands of dollars of CBD oil all across the state. After our investigation, the excise police quickly ended those raids.
It's a complicated issue, and we're trying to work through it and figure out what the rules are.
And the state attorney general's office is now trying to sort it all out.
So right now, the attorneys in our office are looking at this. They're looking at the various state statutes and trying to figure out, in fact, what is legal and what is not.
The Hamilton County Sheriff's Department says it tested Mamadou's CBD oil right on the spot, and the field test showed the presence of marijuana. 13 investigators wanted to test it ourselves. So we obtained the same CBD oil and sent the product to a professional lab in Michigan. The results show the oil contains 0 THC, absolutely none at all. Underscoring the point, this is not marijuana. It's oil from a hemp plant. And there's no state statute that says hemp oil containing no THC is illegal in Indiana. Yet Mamadou now faces criminal charges.
I will plead not guilty because I wasn't guilty of any crime, sir.
He's hoping with these test results that the prosecutor will now drop the case. The case really does highlight the urgency of this situation as everyone now waits on clarification from the Attorney General's office.
So where does this case stand right now?
Well, right now, Mamadou has decided he is going to waive his preliminary hearing, which means a plea of not guilty for the possession of marijuana. We're now waiting to see what the Hamilton County Prosecutor's Office is going to do with these test results that we just got in here within the last 48 hours.
It's going to be really interesting to see how that case unfolds, Bob. Thanks.
It will.